you already wear a hairpiece. You want something the same as you wear before, or you want something new?
Like I need something like to fit in my head and to look nice, you know, the same thing.
Same thing.
Yeah, same thing. Because like I had a what it's called, it's a full head.
Okay, so which means you need a full wig. So can I see your crown area? Just head down. Let me see your crown area now.
You can see it from here. You know, like it's all baldy from here, all to here, like in the back. Just only I have the side, those both sides.
So you mean your hairpiece is from the neck, end to the neck, right?
Yes, yes, exactly, exactly.
So I guess it will have to be a custom-made order.
I'm Mr. Lamia. So I just see you are from a hair club, right? How many years you stay with hair club?
Around 5-6 years.
So you're on the kind of like on the monthly program. Like how many pieces you need a year? Like 2 pieces or 3 pieces a year or 5 pieces a year. So how often you change a new piece?
I'll go with 5.
You mean every 2 or 3 months you go to hair club to get a new hair piece, or you go to hair club to do a service to take off, clean up, to put it back?
Like the service they do it like it's every month. Like they clean it, and they put it on, you know, all that thing. And it's too much money, to be honest with you. So I don't know, you guys, like how much you charge for that pieces.
Let me check the price. Let me give you the price first before we move forward. Okay, 1 second. So this is the custom made start, and the male face size is full cap, and the hair length, regular density, face type is the French lace and Swiss lace, and this is for $527.
Okay, so that one, when we can have it?
I think based on current production, 5 months.
5 months.
5 months. Yeah, because the full cap size it's slow. Also, the French lace right now is slow.
So, do you have anything temporary to right now? Like
temporary, yes, we do have like a full skin base of this one. I can guarantee get one for you. But this one, there's no plastic around. I have to give you a lace tip to tip around. Lace tip, it will stay. It will works. This one works for you. This color looks right, match your color. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, sure. No problem.
Do you want to I send the link to you, or you want to place order, or you want me place order for you?
You order it in the same visa, like I give you guys. It was there, so you can collect the money from there.
Okay.